Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on AI-powered social media journeys in contact centers. Today, we explore how AI transforms customer engagement from the limitations of traditional methods into a smarter, faster, and more efficient experience. Instead of slow, manual processes and reactive responses, AI brings real-time social listening, intelligent routing, automation, and personalization, all working seamlessly to deliver quicker resolutions, improved accuracy, and enhanced customer satisfaction. The result? Happier customers, empowered agents, and contact centers that are proactive, cost-effective, and built for the future. Let's dive in and see how AI is redefining the social media journey inside contact centers. Let's begin with speed and efficiency, the cornerstone of customer satisfaction. In the traditional model, customer issues were monitored and routed manually. This often led to delays in identifying critical problems and responding to them on time. Every minute wasted meant growing customer frustration. But with AI-powered solutions, everything changes. Real-time social listening captures every mention the moment it appears. Automated categorization sorts issues instantly, while intelligent routing ensures they reach the right teams without delay. The result? Drastically reduced response times, faster resolutions, and customers who feel heard and valued almost immediately. AI doesn't just improve speed, it delivers efficiency at a scale manual methods could never achieve. Next, let's talk about scalability, a critical factor for modern contact centers. Traditionally, the ability to monitor multiple channels was limited by the number of human agents available. As message volumes surged during product launches, seasonal peaks, or crises, agents often became overwhelmed, leading to delays and missed interactions. AI-powered solutions completely transform this reality. With the ability to process millions of posts and messages simultaneously across platforms, AI ensures no customer query slips through the cracks, no matter how high the volume climbs. The benefit? Seamless handling of spikes in demand without adding headcount, keeping customers happy and agents focused on complex, high-value tasks. AI makes scaling effortless, efficient, and cost-effective. Now, let's focus on accuracy and context, the heart of meaningful customer interactions. In the traditional approach, agents handling large volumes of messages often struggle to catch every nuance, missing key context, sentiment, or the true priority behind a customer's words. The result? Delays, escalations, and sometimes, customers feeling unheard. AI changes that completely. With advanced natural language processing and sentiment analysis, it detects tone, urgency, and intent with remarkable accuracy. It can sense frustration, identify critical cases, and flag situations needing immediate attention. The benefit? Priority cases are resolved first, fewer issues escalate, and customers receive responses that are timely, accurate, and truly empathetic. AI brings not just speed, but intelligence and emotional awareness to customer care. Next, let's look at 24/7 availability, a game-changer for customer experience. Traditionally, customer service coverage was limited by human shift schedules. If a customer reached out after hours, they often had to wait until the next business day for a response. AI changes this completely. With intelligent chatbots and automated replies, customers get round-the-clock assistance, whether it's a simple query, status update, or initial acknowledgement of a complex issue. The benefit? Customers always feel heard, valued, and supported, no matter the time of day, building trust and satisfaction around the clock. AI ensures that customer care never sleeps, even when human teams need to. Now, let's explore personalization, where customer experience becomes truly one-to-one. Traditionally, responses were often generic, with little use of past customer history or preferences. Customers felt like just another ticket in the system, rather than individuals with unique needs. AI transforms this completely. By integrating with CRM systems and analyzing past interactions, preferences, and behaviors, AI helps craft tailored replies that feel personal, relevant, and human. The benefit? Customers experience stronger connections, greater trust, and improved loyalty, all while businesses deliver faster, more meaningful interactions. With AI, every customer conversation feels like it was designed just for them. Next, let's focus on agent productivity, the key to efficient operations and happier employees. Traditionally, agents spent valuable time switching between multiple dashboards, manually tagging cases, and typing out every single response. This constant juggling not only slowed response times but also added to agent fatigue. AI simplifies this dramatically. With smart reply suggestions, auto-tagging, and automatic case summaries, agents can work faster and smarter without losing quality. The benefit? Lower average handle time, reduced workload, and agents who can focus on what really matters, delivering exceptional customer experiences. AI doesn't replace agents, it empowers them to perform at their best. Now, let's talk about analytics and forecasting, where data meets decision-making. Traditionally, reports were retrospective, often slow and manual. By the time insights were compiled, opportunities to act had already passed. With AI-powered analytics, this changes completely. Real-time dashboards provide instant visibility into key metrics, while predictive insights forecast trends before they happen, from potential crises to staffing needs during peak periods. The benefit? Businesses can stay ahead of the curve, plan proactively, and make smarter, faster decisions that improve both efficiency and customer satisfaction. AI turns reporting from looking back into seeing what's ahead. Next, let's focus on cost optimization, a key priority for every contact center. Traditionally, scaling customer support meant hiring more agents to handle rising volumes. But as businesses grew, so did operational costs, often without a matching improvement in efficiency. AI changes this equation completely. Through automation, it handles repetitive tasks, manages high-volume interactions, and reduces dependency on additional staff, all without compromising quality. The benefit? Significantly lower operational costs, improved efficiency, and the ability to maintain, or even elevate, service quality as businesses expand. AI delivers smarter growth at a fraction of the cost. Finally, let's talk about compliance and risk management, the backbone of trust in every customer interaction. Traditionally, ensuring data security and compliance relied heavily on human oversight. This meant higher chances of errors, missed risks, and delayed responses to potential violations. AI brings a smarter, faster, and more reliable approach. It automatically detects personally identifiable information, offensive content, and compliance risks in real time, ensuring strict adherence to regulations like GDPR and PCI DSS. The benefit? Stronger brand reputation, reduced legal risks, and complete confidence that every customer interaction meets the highest security standards. With AI, compliance moves from being reactive to being proactive. Let's bring it all together with a quick summary. The traditional journey was reactive, manual, and limited in speed and scale. Customers often faced longer wait times, while businesses struggled to keep pace with rising demands. The AI-powered journey is completely different, proactive, intelligent, scalable, personalized, and cost-effective. The end result? Customers receive faster, smarter, and more empathetic service, while businesses gain efficiency, reduce costs, and build stronger customer loyalty. AI doesn't just improve the customer journey, it transforms it for the future. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.